Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Unico Hotel that is being constructed in Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's actually being constructed at Lilliput in Montego Bay. The Unico is going to be a 451 room hotel, and it's an adult only hotel. The Unico is a part of the RCD group, and this will be their second hotel in the Caribbean. Unico is going to be one of 3 hotels built on this property. There is going to be a Hard Rock hotel and casino with over 1,000 rooms, and a third hotel, possibly a Ritz-Carlton, with over 1,000 rooms also. So this total development will have 3 hotels. Construction on this project started in November 2023, and it's scheduled to finish in 18 months sometime in 2025. I must say they are moving very fast with this project. The last video we did, probably about 2 weeks ago, you can see how much progress has been made. And something I've noticed about this project is that they work at night. They have some massive lights on the project, and if you drive by here at night, you can see construction going on. This hotel is located 15 minutes from the Sankster International Airport, and to get here you drive on the Northern Coastal Highway, so it's no problem getting from the airport to the hotel.